Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a background to text in Canva. It's a really simple feature, but once you know how to use it, it can completely change the look of your design and make your text stand out. So first, open up your Canva project and click on the text box you want to work with. That first click is important because it tells Canva that you're editing that specific element. Once your text is highlighted, you'll see a bunch of options at the top of the page. From here, click on the Effects tab. That'll open a sidebar on the left with different styling choices. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Background. Click on it, and instantly you'll notice a box appear around your text. That's your background activated. From here, you can fine-tune the look. There's a roundness slider that lets you control the shape of the corners. If you slide it to the right, you'll get soft, rounded corners, almost like a pill shape. If you move it left, you'll keep sharp, defined edges. Next is the spread option. This controls how close or far the background sits around your text. Move it in for a snug fit or out for a more spacious look. After that, you've got transparency. This one adjusts how bold or subtle the background appears. Dragging the slider up makes it more see-through, so your design underneath shows through, while dragging it down makes the background stronger and more solid. Finally, there's color. Click the color box and you'll see a full palette pop up. Choose a shade that fits your overall design, something that either complements or contrasts with your text to really make it pop. And that's it. By tweaking roundness, spread, transparency, and color, you can create a clean and eye-catching background for your text. It not only makes your words easier to read, but also gives your design a polished, professional look. So yeah, that's how you add a background to text in Canva. Quick, easy, and super effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.